Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. See, this problem is very good problem for a series. F of x is equal to x sin x, 0 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 2pi. So my limit is running from 0 to 2pi, everywhere continuous, x sin x. Solid question actually. Why means what? While doing I will tell you. Lot of things we discuss for finding the Fourier coefficients. Now you see. Already you are familiar. F of x equal to how can you write? A naught by 2. N is running from 1 to infinity. An cos nx plus Bn sin nx. Only one sigma I am writing. Some people they will write again sigma running from n is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. Now one by one I will find out. What is A naught? A naught. Then already I told you find the limits. You can see upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, make it reciprocal. It will speaks lot actually. So here 1 by pi, 2 pi minus 0 divided by 2, then make it reciprocal, then 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, then 1 by pi. What is my f of x? X sin x. Do the by parts. 1 by pi x sin x differentiation is minus cos x minus what you integrated, same thing you can write. What you integrated again you can integrate, minus sin x, x differentiation is 1. Apply the limits x 0 to 2 pi. This is waste 0. And who will stand this fellow alone? If you apply upper limit is what? 2 pi. Then cos 2 pi is 1. So A naught is equal to minus 2 pi by pi. That is minus 2. So A naught is equal to minus 2. Okay. So I can note down A naught is equal to minus 2. Now I go for An. How you will write An? Go for An. An is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Then 1 by pi. Who is my f of x? X sin x cos nx. So x into sin x means I can attack, x into cos nx means I can attack, but sin x into cos nx means not somewhat headache. So I will use here formula. These two I will take as a one block. You know that 2 sin A cos B. Some people they write cos A sin B, not required. You can remember one formula enough. Always sin term you can treat as a, cos term you can treat as a B. You can remember one formula. Some people they will tell 2 cos A sin B formula, then 2 sin A cos B. One thing you can remember, automatically it will adjust. So 2 sin A cos B formula is what? Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Suppose if you write actually cos A sin B means what? Same thing, sin of minus you will get actually minus of. It's not, doesn't matter, you can remember one formula. Then now 2 sin A cos B. So A is x, B is 2 is not there, so 1 by 2 will get 1 by 2 pi 0 to 2 pi x sin of A plus B, x plus nx. So I will write sin of n plus 1x plus sin of A minus B, x minus nx 1 minus n. Instead of 1 minus n I will write n minus 1. This is the sin of n minus 1 x. Always 1 minus n means what? All will get minus, the sin of minus theta minus somewhat headache. So first itself writing. This way of looking best or somewhat good. Dx. Correct or not? Now integrate 1 by 2 pi x you can keep as it is, sin n plus 1x differentiation minus of cos n plus 1x divided by n plus 1 linear curve batti. Then this minus minus plus cos of n minus 1x by n minus 1. Then minus of what you integrated, again you can integrate, minus of sin n plus 1x by n plus 1 whole square. This cos is what, plus sin of n minus 1x by n minus 1 whole square. Apply the limits. See, sin n pi whatever may be, 2x plus 2 pi means what, 2 into n plus 1 pi. Then sin 0 0. So this upper limit lower limit fully waste, this whole term will go off. Here x means what, lower limit also vanish, so upper limit alone stands. So if you apply upper limit, what you will get, 1 by 2 pi x plus 2 pi if you apply, minus 2 pi, this minus also I am writing, otherwise keep, no problem, 2 pi. Cos of x plus 2 pi means what, even, 2 into something, so even pi means what, 1. So what I will get, minus 1 by n plus 1. This is also same story, cos of even pi, x plus 2 pi means what, 2 into n minus 1, twice of whatever may be, this always even, again pi, even pi means 1 by n minus, this cancel, then this is what, 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. If you simplify, what you will get, n square minus 1, this is what, n 2 will get. So an is equal to 2 by n square minus 1 when it is valid. For all values of n valid, if you give n is equal to 1 means what, 2 by 0, anything by 0 infinity, it's not allowed. So an is not valid when n is equal to 1. So n not equal to 1 means this is okay, happily you can do. Then immediately you can ask, what is n is equal to 1? So again you can attack, n is equal to 1 means, so this is what, n is equal to 2 by n square minus 1 if n not equal to 1. Then find out a1. What is a1? an means f of x into cos nx, a3 means what, cos 3x, a1 means cos x. So 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is what, x sin x into cos 1x. Just take a write for understanding, is cos x dx. This how can you write, sin x to x means what, sin 2x by 2, 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin 2x. So 1 by 2 pi 0 to 2 pi x sin 2x, because already this 2 I adjusted here, 1 by 2 pi, then x minus cos 2x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 into 1. Again this integration, this differentiation, then 0 to 2 pi. Again this is waste, this is lower limit waste, upper limit only stands. Then 1 by 4 pi, upper limit is what, 2 pi, cos 2 pi is 1, already minus 1 in this. So minus 1 by 2, a1 is equal to what, then go for bn. Then what is the bn formula? Bn is equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx, 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi. What is my f of x? X sin x into sin nx dx 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi x. This you can write 2 sin a sin b formula. 2 sin a sin b formula is what? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b by 2. This 2 I will adjust. Cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b means what? I will write cos of n minus 1. Because look here. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 1 minus n, cos n minus 1 are both are same. Minus cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Now we can attack 1 by 2 pi, then x. This will become what? Minus cos integration is what? No, sin of n minus 1x by n minus 1 minus sin n plus 1x by n plus 1. Getting or not? Then minus of what you integrated again. Integrate. This is minus of cos n minus 1 by x by n minus 1 whole square. Then plus cos of n plus 1 by x by n plus 1 whole square 0 to 2 pi. Here is what? If you apply sin 2 pi means what? Sin n pi 0, 0 means what? This term is fully waste. Here what you will get? 1 time plus and 1 time. Cos 2 pi is 1 by n square. Cos 0 also minus. So plus minus. This is also totally 0. So Bn is equal to 0. When? Because n minus 1 is there. Very dangerous situation. When n not equal to 1 only, you can say daily Bn is equal to 0. Immediately can ask what is n is equal to 1. N not equal to 1. So Bn is equal to 0 if then immediately can find B1. Again old story. As previously how we done A1, similarly you can do. B1 is equal to what? 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin x. This is what? F of x 0 to 2 pi x into sin square x dx. Sin square x I am not able to do it. We can do 0 to 2 pi, I think so. Okay, this I will write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi x 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. I can write sin square x 0 to 2 pi, but I don't want to confuse using what integration. What is that? Okay, some formula is there. 0 to pi means we can write directly, but I don't want to confuse. Now we can do directly. Using reduction formula we can do, but we don't want to go that. Then what you will do? 0 to 2 pi 1 by 2 pi x minus x cos 2x dx. So 1 by 2 pi, this is x square by 2 minus, if you do means what? X into sin 2x by 2 minus cos 2x by 4 into 1 0 to 2 pi. Now apply, this is what? 1 by 2 pi. If you apply means what? 2 pi whole square, that is 4 pi square by 2. If you apply upper limit is what? Sin 2 pi 0, sin 0 0 waste. Here is what? Cos 2 pi is 1, minus of minus 10, then cos this is also waste. So only this is only stands. This cancel. this cancels, so pi is equal to b1. Now come back and write what is my series. b1 is what? Pi. Do again once, twice, then only you can understand. Immediately in first time you don't. F of x is equal to a naught by 2. What is my, who is my a naught minus 2? Minus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus an is what? An is valid when 2 to infinity. So, but a1 plus a1 is what? 1 by minus 1 by 2 cos x plus 2 to infinity. Who is an? 2 by n square minus 1 cos nx plus b1 is what? b1 is, I got pi, I think so, pi sin x, remaining everywhere 0. This is the Fourier series. Thank you watching for our channel. Kindly subscribe and inform to all your friends. I hope you understand this. So many problems are there for Seriies. One by one you can do. Once again, thank you. Kindly subscribe our channel. Bye.